Welcome to a huge brand new world. The new big Ford Trucks F-MAX. International Truck of the Year 2019.
A better future, a better life. Promised passion, shifting height. Human pictures turning bright.
Euer Ruhebereich 1.1, die erste.
Das Erste, was ich denke in dem Ruhebereich, ist Ruhe. Der neue Ruhebereich ist deshalb für den Fahrer wichtig, weil er ihm noch mehr Entspannung möglich macht. Das ganze Raumgefühl weiter wurde. Die Kühlboxen war davor ziemlich exponiert. Die ist jetzt total integriert. Gleichzeitig haben wir einen tiefen Motortunnel und damit einen Platz, ein Raumangebot vergrößert. Und das alles führt natürlich dazu, dass einfach dieser ganze Bereich großzügiger, deutlich hochwertiger wird. Das Besondere ist das, dass du immer aus der Historie raus erkennen kannst, wo wir herkommen. Im Interior habe ich ganz viele verschiedene große Bauteile mit völlig unterschiedlichen Anforderungen und da gilt es eben genau das in einer einheitlichen Formsprache zusammenzuführen. Teamarbeit ist bei uns immer sehr wichtig. Da entstehen bessere Ideen, da redet man drüber, da gibt es ein Team und auch ein Teamgefühl. Du machst ein Produkt letztendlich für jemanden, der das jeden Tag benutzt und da einen Großteil seiner Lebenszeit da drin verbringt. Das ist immer im Hinterkopf.
Welcome. My name is Jacob White, and I'm the Product Marketing Director for Peterbilt. Today we're in Denton, Texas with the bold new Model 579 to highlight some of its key characteristics and features. The new Model 579 is the most technologically advanced and fuel-efficient Peterbilt ever, achieving up to 7% fuel savings thanks to next-generation MX-13 engine with state-of-the-art predictive cruise control and the all-new Epic Max package. Also, the driver environment is more than 10% quieter due to smoother engine operation, a crank-mounted fan, an engine-mounted air cleaner, and acoustically tuned engine mounts. Our engineers have worked tirelessly to drive uptime into this truck, starting with understanding our customers' operations firsthand and then integrating their input into first-class designs, which were then subjected to million-mile endurance tests and extensive field validation. Starting up front, the new hood and bumper maximize aerodynamic performance with a bolder, stronger look. while retaining that signature Peterbilt class. The bright crown, stainless steel grille sheet and 3 bars, as well as fender valleys and low fenders, make this truck immediately recognizable as a Peterbilt and a 579. The crown is lowered 2.5 inches and narrowed 8 inches, improving aerodynamics as well as visibility, enabling the driver to see about 12 more inches of the ground in front of the truck. The 3-piece Meton hood is lightweight, serviceable, and impact resistant. This truck is equipped with a painted, molded bumper and integrated radar cover. Other bumper options, such as mold and color and steel, both chrome and painted, are available. All bumpers are multi-piece for repairability. Below the bumper is an all-new fairing, improving aerodynamics and maintaining ground clearance for items such as oil pits. A key technology improvement is the forward lighting. The industry-leading LED headlamps have superior light coverage and uniformity, providing drivers an excellent view of the road while reducing eye fatigue. Every LED headlamp includes infrared heaters to keep the lens clear in bad weather. An industry first and Peterbilt exclusive is the custom 3-function LED lamp in the bumper. It has a fog light function for near field view as well as a driving light designed to complement the high beams. The third function is a cornering light, which illuminates with the turn signal. The bright bezel on the hood echoes the shape of the bird on the top of the crown. The aerodynamic wheel well closeouts are robust, flexible, and easy to service. The advanced aero mirrors, available with integrated camera system, are cab mounted to improve routings. The sculpted mirror head is optimized to ensure drivers can see the top of a trailer while backing. The optional factory-installed camera system provides a clear view of the road behind the truck and along the passenger side in all conditions with multiple views, automatic trailer tracking, and night vision. The fairing along the A-pillar directs air across the side of the cab, improving aerodynamics and quieting wind noise. The chassis fairings and closeouts are all new as well. A real highlight is the tool-free tip-out and removal. This provides great access to batteries, fuel tanks, APUs, and the aftertreatment system. Completing the exterior are the rear tandem fairings, designed specifically to complement the new chassis fairings and constructed from a robust material to withstand road debris. The interior of the new Model 579 is quiet, comfortable, and ergonomic, with excellent visibility. We offer 3 interior trim levels: Prestige, Premier, and Platinum. All 3 are available in sterling gray. The Platinum level has a saddle tan option with dark brown accents. Updated Platinum interiors have a more luxurious wood grain. Dark dash and door pad uppers, as well as kick panels, are included in all trim levels for reduced glare and a sleek appearance. The most notable change in the cab, and a very exciting one, the high-tech 15-inch digital display is the largest in the industry. It is the result of over 100 interviews and user tests with drivers, techs, safety managers, and maintenance managers in applications ranging from over-the-road sleepers, LTL day cabs, and even vocational applications such as tankers and aggregate haulers. The display allows the drivers to see the information they need to see when they need to see it. Front and center are the typical gauges: speedo, tach, water temperature, oil pressure, air pressure, and fuel and depth. Additional digital gauges along the outside provide information typically housed on the B panel. This eliminates the need for round gauges, although they are still available. Using the scroll wheel on the steering wheel allows the driver to choose how much information they want to see. Customization is built right into the display with a favorite screen, allowing a driver or fleet to customize the gauge layout for their application. Also, the Omni button can be assigned to frequently used functions, such as a digital RPM. If the driver needs to be informed of something, regardless of whether it's on the screen or not, the display highlights that gauge and clearly communicates the status. The display works in concert with driver assistance features, such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and the new lane keeping assist system, which uses inputs from the standard collision mitigation system to help the driver keep the truck between the lines, utilizing an electric motor mounted on the steering column inside the cab, where it is protected from the elements. The electric motor also reduces the effort to turn the wheel. particularly helpful when lining up a trailer or maneuvering at a terminal. In addition to display interaction, the steering wheel controls feature audio and phone functions on the right. The buttons on the left are for cruise control, road speed limiter, and trip. The toggle adjusts predictive cruise settings, as well as following distance for adaptive cruise. The new switches are wider for improved legibility and can be used as a toggle or a rocker. B-panel options include the smart nav shown here, up to 6 round gauges, additional storage, a reconfigurable panel, or a RAM mount for aftermarket devices, made easier with 2 RP1226 connectors and pass-throughs. The cup holder provides extra storage, room for large cups, and plenty of knee room. Various combinations of 12-volt, USB, and lighter outlets are also available. The 80-inch ultra-loft sleeper continues to be the driver's favorite, with 70 cubic feet of storage, 8 feet of headroom, the largest mattresses in its class, and clever stowaway ladder. New on platinum trim levels, the back wall pad is now two-tone and wood trim updated to match the dash. The integrated PACCAR powertrain with efficient and durable MX engines, lightweight PACCAR 12-speed transmission, and hyper-efficient PACCAR 40K rear axle is ideal for on-highway applications. The PX9 and X15 engines are also available, as well as natural gas options. And remember, every Peterbilt Class 8 truck comes standard with a 2-year SmartLink subscription, including remote diagnostics and over-the-air software updates for the MX engine. The chassis is 15% stiffer, featuring lightweight aluminum crossmembers, front axle and suspension ratings from 12K to 14.6, and Peterbilt proprietary rear suspensions, the lightweight Flex Air, versatile low air leaf, and rugged air track, among other offerings. At Peterbilt, we take pride in driving uptime every single day for our customers' business. When it comes to premium performance and efficiency, the new Peterbilt Model 579 is your truck of choice.